Hi, are you trying to get your child on a routine as they are engaging in this time of remote instruction? Well, this video might help you get going with that. This is one in a series of videos that address creating visual supports. And visual supports have been found to be very helpful in establishing a routine for students who need a little bit of structure, um, relieving some of their anxiety regarding what's to be anticipated, and just overall supporting their understanding of what's going on with them. So, we're going to be looking at today a Google template that I made in Google Sheets. And I made it in such a way that hopefully you'll be able to use it on your own. I'm just going to walk you through the steps of what that might look like. So here's the link, and this is a public link for you to be able to have access to the folder that I made. And in there, you'll find a variety of templates. So the discussion today is going to revolve around um, the template that is for the calendars. So let's go in here into my web page, and here we go. So the calendar template is right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, it is a Google Sheet. And this was a template that I downloaded from Google, and it's a 19 excuse me, a 1920. It's a 2020 calendar, and you will see across here the tabs for each month for the year. So as you want to develop one for another month, you would just click on that month and it would bring up that month for you. You can put the student's name here. You can customize it any way that you like. I'm just going to show you some things that you can do as far as creating that calendar. But why would a student want to have a calendar? During the school year, a lot of times there's things that can result in a little angst for a student, such as if they are used to packing their lunch every day, but for some reason they're going to have to buy their lunch, or the opposite, they're used to buying their lunch every day, but maybe they're going to pack their lunch one day. You could indicate that on the calendar so they could anticipate it. If there is something unusual in their schedule, like a doctor appointment, or maybe even something to look forward to, a play date, or a movie, or some kind of activity, this just helps the student be able to understand what it is that's going to be happening and when it's going to be happening so that they can feel like they have a little bit of control. Another reason you might use the calendar is to help the student become more independent with their activities. So let's say you have a couple of kids, or your student takes the trash out every Monday for the pickup on Tuesday, or they have to walk the dog a certain number of days a week. All those things can be placed on this calendar, and it's really, really simple to use. You can just go to my webpage and open up and make a copy of this template, or you can search for your own templates or create your own in Google Forms. This one was one, again, that I downloaded. The other ones I created myself. So we'll look at this first. So let's just say that Billy on Monday is supposed to take the trash out. So I'm going to highlight. You can see here that there's actually like 4 or 5 lines across there, so that you could type in appointments or assignments and do this all text based. But I like to have images. So I'm going to highlight those things, and then I'm going to merge the cells so that it becomes one button. And now I'm going to insert something to indicate the trash can. So I'm going to go to the image and put the image in the cell, and a search bar comes up. I personally like to use the Google image search. So I click on that and get my search bar, and now I'm going to do a trash can clip art because I just want a little drawing that way. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see I have all these trash cans that come up. I'm going to click on one of the trash cans, and then I'm going to click on insert, and it goes right into that box where the where it was highlighted, and you can see it's over to the left. So that's with this justification. So just like you do with text, you can tell it to center it. And then I can have that, and I can say Monday is trash day so that the student can know what they need to do. And again, you can center that text as well using the same tools that we have up here. So there's trash day. And let's just say on uh, Tuesdays and Thursdays, the student has to walk the dog. So we're going to click here. We're going to do walk the dog. Obviously, a chore that they share with somebody else. We're going to go here and merge the cells. And the reason you do that is so your picture will turn out big. And then we're going to do the same thing. Insert, image, image in the cell, Google image. And I'm going to do dog on a leash, clip art. And let's see what we get. There we go. And so we might choose one of those pictures or look somewhere else for a picture. I like this one. So I'm going to put that one in there. And again, center that picture. So if there's something unexpected that might be happening for a student, you could put something, if it's a happy surprise, you might put fireworks or put something more abstract on there. But basically, you can outline here what it is that the student needs to do and release yourself, hopefully, from having to give them that instruction because they're referencing their calendar and they know what it is that they are expected to do each day. So if you have any questions or need additional support with this, feel free to contact me at my email address. Let's see, let's go to this one. And here is my contact information, and I will be more than happy to help you out in making your visual supports for your student. Thank you for your time. Hope to see you next time.